Hey guys, so it's Tessa here. In case you've never seen my face, hello, it is nice to meet you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 5 favorite fast and easy paleo-based breakfasts. So these are my go-tos. I am not a big breakfast person. I do not like cooking. I do not like being in the kitchen for a long time. So these are just my 5 favorite yummy, nutritious, super healthy, but really, really easy and fast recipes to make. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's jump right on into these. For the first recipe, it is my go-to one. It is simply just 2 over easy eggs and fruit. So of course you can cook your eggs how you want, eat what fruit you want, but this is my go-to. So I simply pop 2 eggs on the pan, I put some oil on the pan, put a cover on it, and I just cook those for a little bit, make them over easy, and then I pair it with some fruit. So this way I'm getting protein, healthy fats, and healthy carbs. Egg whites are the protein, egg yolk is the healthy fats, and then the fruit is the carb. So yeah, I like bananas the best. Those are my favorite, but you can pair it with an apple, anything that you like. This is fast, it is yummy, and it's just super easy to make. Now for the second one, also having to do with eggs. As you guys can tell, I really like eggs. They're just yummy, nutritious, and super easy to make. But yeah, I just buy the huge thing of egg whites. It's a lot easier, and I don't like always having egg yolks. Sometimes I just don't like them, so I like the egg whites. So simply all I do is just pour egg whites onto the pan, and then I usually pair it with some spinach, some tomatoes, sometimes I put salsa in it, something like that. But again, super nutritious, super good, lots of protein, but it is so easy to make.
This is the TessaRenéeTR omelet. Oh. Looks very healthy.
It is.
Yeah, I haven't eaten this healthy in years.
Years.
Decades.
Explains a lot.
Okay, so what do you rate it out of 10?
You eat
For how
weird.
healthy it is, I'd say like
A 10.
a 6 or a 7 for taste.
Okay.
Like an
Oh,
11
that's
for
kind of
healthy.
shit.
This is the Bronson and Lucas cam. This is Bronson's test review
I don't
now.
like tomatoes and there's tomatoes in it, guys.
Uh-oh.
He likes it. He keeps eating it.
Let me see your eyes while you taste it.
It's good. It's a 7.
What are you doing?
It's a 7.5.
Hey mom, you look so pretty. Oh my god. And look, it's a dog. Hi dog.
And now for the third thing, it is my go-to chocolate protein shake. So I have a detailed video on this. I'll have it linked up above. But yeah, this video is not at all sponsored, but I finally found a protein powder I really like. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes protein powders bother my stomach. They make me feel like all bloated and such, so I don't like them. But I finally found one that I really like. It's packed with probiotics. It's vegan. It's no dairy, anything like that. So I really like it. It's called the Skinny Gut by Renew Life, and I like the chocolate one best, but you can use the other flavors. But yeah, all I do is I throw in the chocolate protein powder, some ice, some almond milk, and then I throw in a frozen banana, or I use non-frozen banana. Just depends on what I have. Frozen banana is the best because it makes it all creamy. But yeah, I like this one. So easy to make. You literally can put it in a cup, drink it while you're driving or such. But it's packed with protein, it gives you the carbs, and it also gives you the fat. So overall, it's just a good one. To get the healthy fats, you can throw in some peanut butter or something such as that. But yeah, guys, it's super duper good. It tastes like a chocolate milkshake. I highly suggest. And it won't bloat your stomach, or at least it doesn't bloat mine, so I highly recommend it. Whoa, go me.
That's good.
So what do you rate it? Number.
Okay.
And then for the fourth one, it is simply just a fruit smoothie. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, I don't really go to this one as much. This isn't really as much of a go-to. I personally actually don't like to have lots of fruit in the morning just because it's a lot of sugar, tends to bloat me and such, so I try to kind of avoid tons of sugar in the morning more than just like a banana or something such as that. But it's still a very good one. So all you do is simply throw in your favorite frozen fruits. I like to do strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. So I throw them in. I throw in some banana, and then I just put in almond milk, a scoop of that vanilla Skinny Renew Life powder, and yeah, I blend it, and then it's a yummy fruit banana smoothie. And then for the last one, this one's more like a snacky breakfast. This is for those people that are like, wow, I really need to leave right now, or just really don't like breakfast. So all that it is a protein bar and a piece of fruit. I choose RX bars and a banana typically. The reason I like RX bars are because they're just very simple. I eat paleo-based and they are paleo-based. It's simply just dates, nuts, egg whites, and a couple other things, but either way, they're just very simple ingredients. A lot of times protein bars actually lie to you. They're being advertised to you as healthy protein bars, so you're like, oh yeah, this is good, I'm gonna just grab this, I'll be good. If you actually look at the back, you may be surprised. You may be literally eating like a Snickers, might as well. It's just tons of sugar, tons of crappy, factory, poor ingredients. So always look for the purest protein bars. So I like RX bars. I like the like really chocolatey one. I forget what it's called. I'll have it here. And yeah, all these meals are super easy to make. They're paleo based. They're light, but they're also very nutrient dense and such. So this way you can get in all the calories, you can get in all the nutrients, all the protein, fats, carbs and such you need without leaving like stuffed and like, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm going to pop. Or if you're just not a big breakfast person, or if you're just always in a rush in the morning and late like me. Yeah guys, I hope that you like these recipes. I hope you try them for yourself. Comment down below if you already do them or if you're gonna try them and such. And yeah guys, I love you. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff. I love you guys and I will see you soon.